empowering citizens to explore, understand, and protect nature. We are Pannonian Rangers.
My name is Matej and I'm coordinator for Osijek-Baranja Citizen Science Hub and our group of citizen scientists called Pannonian Rangers. Through our work, we connect science, education and community action to better understand our rivers, soil and biodiversity.
Our activities bring learning outdoors, turning curiosity into real research.
The Rivers Work Group monitors water quality using the Drinkable Rivers methodology. We collect and analyze samples from the Drava River to understand local water ecosystems and pollution impacts.
The Soil Work Group explores sustainable gardening practices. By composting, creating raised beds and testing soil health, we learn how to grow food responsibly and restore living soil.
The Biodiversity Work Group studies protected areas in our region such as Kopački Rit Nature Park and Drava Regional Park. Through field trips, students document invasive alien species and learn why conservation matters for our region's future.
Our citizen scientists, students, teachers and volunteers make science accessible to everyone. Through the Impetus program, we joined a European citizen science community which helped us improve our research methods and communicate our impact.
Our vision is a better community where citizens and nature thrive together. Join us, explore, protect, and celebrate our living landscapes. We are Pannonian Rangers.